360 Electricians, another episode of my favorite things for electricians and electrical contractors. You ready? I got 2 items to show you. Let's go. All right, item number 1 I've had for a long time, and a general contractor put me onto this exact pouch. Now, who's it from? The one and only Racketeers. If you know who the Racketeers are, they are pretty much you and me. When we come up with a design or a great idea, we can license it to Racketeers, and then they produce it and sell it, and you get a piece of the action. Did you know about that? Click the links below to Racketeers and sign up and give them your good idea, and let's get moving. So this Racketeer pouch is basically your back pocket pouch. This pouch right here slips into the back of your pocket, jeans or whatnot, and then you have your most basic tools. Now, I've done some videos on my favorite tools and basic tools, which are going to be your wire strippers, your hot stick, maybe your meter, and some pliers, linements, needle nose, etc., etc. Those are the tools 90% of the time you need to get your simple troubleshooting done in and out. I call this the owner's bag because as an owner, I usually don't suit up like I used to. I take this with me, slip it in, at least I have some tools on the job site. When I'm done, simply slip it out of my jeans pocket or my work pocket and we're good to go. So check out Racketeers. This is the Grande butt pouch. You like that? Racketeers. Let's go to our next item. So if you've seen my videos, you know my glasses aren't too far behind. Yep, I'm getting a little old in age compared to you young guys, a lot of you watching this channel. So my favorite item is the Milwaukee safety glasses with 1.5 magnification. Did you even know that Milwaukee makes safety glasses with magnification? These are a game changer for us older folks or those that need glasses to see up close and tight things. The cool part about this is they're not expensive as my regular glasses in case I'm on the job site and they fall. I can literally put on my safety glasses and wear them almost all day and still be able to see those little things like in some of my other favorite thing videos when I'm doing Cat 5, Cat 6 wiring. Milwaukee, check it out. This one came from Home Depot. None of these are sponsored. These are my own items bringing it to you. Hey, I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, can you hit that subscribe button and help grow the channel so that I can help you level up in the trade? I appreciate you. Don't forget about our podcast at the 360 Electrician Podcast, available on Google, Spotify, and on Apple Podcasts. We will see you on the next one.